Hello and welcome. We are currently on the testing sessions page of the Testing Center module. A testing session is a designated time frame within which a candidate can start a specific assignment. On this page, you can manage existing testing sessions and create new ones for both tests and surveys. To access the page, navigate to the Testing Center section in the main menu, then select Testing Sessions. Note, all information and explanations about tests are equally applicable to surveys. Depending on the testing session settings, candidates may be manually assigned to the testing session by test managers, or they can self-enroll. Testing sessions possess various attributes that determine a candidate's access to the test, including the availability period, the number of seats available in the session, the deadline for booking the test, etc. A testing session can be scheduled for one or more tests. There are 3 different views you can use to manage testing sessions: List View, Tiles View, Calendar View. On this view, you can create a new testing session, import multiple testing sessions at once, filter already created testing sessions by the testing session start time, choose to display only testing sessions that start within the selected time range, select a specific test by clicking this plus button, in which case you will only see testing sessions for that test displayed in the table. To remove the filter, click this button. Manage candidates in the testing session. Edit the testing session. Fields are the same as explained for testing session creation. Enter the Proctoring Supervision dashboard to monitor proctoring sessions live or review and grade past proctoring sessions. View testing session details. Lock the testing session. Permanently delete the testing session. Assign candidates to the testing session. Remove candidates from the testing session. Monitor candidates. Manage special accommodations. Manage special requests. Manage tests for which the testing session is created. Manage proctors responsible for monitoring the testing session. Manage session managers. Session managers can manage testing sessions. They can change all settings for sessions they manage, assign, remove candidates, etc. But they cannot manage tests for which testing sessions are scheduled. To assign a session manager, click on Manage Session Managers and select users you want to assign as managers. Share direct access link. Automatically generated link that redirects candidates directly to this testing session upon registration or login. Share the link directly with candidates, display it on your website, or include it in email notifications. Share guest access link. Automatically generated link that allows unauthorized users to take the test in the testing session without creating an account. A temporary guest profile will be created for them, and the system will automatically delete the profile upon completion or exit from the test. This link can be useful for candidates to explore the application before their official tests. Share this link with candidates or display it on your website. Export the paper-based assignment package, which contains tests and their versions. Each test is organized in a separate subfolder. Ensure that test versions are specified before initiating the export. Student labels include all candidates and the respective test versions assigned to them. Signing sheet include a section for candidates to sign next to the test version they are completing. Package summary include a list of tests along with the corresponding number of candidates assigned to each. Set the price for the testing session. Set the retake price for the testing session. This table contains essential information about testing sessions. Here are explanations for additional columns. Session ID automatically generated upon testing session creation and cannot be edited. This ID may be useful for LTI integration. It allows direct assignment of candidates to the testing session. Status indicates whether the session is currently active, meaning visible to candidates during its availability period. If the status is inactive, the testing session will not be visible even during its availability period. Please note that the test must also be published for active sessions to be visible during their availability period. Availability status of testing session can be finished. The assignment is no longer accessible as the testing session period has expired. Upcoming. Assignments will be available for taking in the future, starting from the specified date and time. Available now. The assignment is currently accessible for candidates. Suspended. The assignment is no longer accessible because the test for which the testing session was scheduled has been suspended. Proctors. Usernames of assigned proctors for the testing session. Direct access link. Automatically generated link that redirects candidates directly to this testing session upon registration or login. Share the link directly with candidates, display it on your website, or include it in email notifications. Meeting link. If proctoring using conference tools is enabled, this is the link for the meeting that candidates need to start before beginning the test. In this video, we will not be explaining the details of creating a new testing session. Therefore, you can view this video for more information on that subject. To import a large number of testing sessions from an Excel file, click the Import Testing Sessions button. Select the test for which you want to create testing sessions. Download the Excel template. Refer to the provided instructions for guidance on completing the template. Add the Excel file by clicking the Select File button and choosing the file from your device. Click the Upload button. On this page, you can access a summary of all information related to the testing session. Additional actions you can perform on this page include: edit testing session, permanently delete the testing session. If candidates are assigned, delete all their test attempts before attempting to delete the testing session. The tile view offers the same functionalities and information as others, but presents testing sessions in a tile format. In this view, you can sort tests by testing session name, alphabetically A to Z. If the name begins with numbers, numerical values take precedence over alphabetical characters. Sort tests by creation date, starting from the most recently created sessions. Search by testing session name. Enter to find all tests containing the specific testing session name. Additionally, filtering options are organized as follows. Filter by test, enter part of the test name. Filter by candidate assigned in session. Enter the candidate's username to locate testing sessions they are assigned to. Filter by test manager in session. Enter the test manager's username to find testing sessions they are assigned to. Filter by proctor assigned in session. Enter the proctor's username to find testing sessions they are assigned to. Filter by testing session start time. Choose to display only testing sessions starting within the selected time range. Filter by status. Show only sessions currently available, those scheduled for the future, or those that have concluded and are no longer available for taking. Filter by location. Enter to display only testing sessions scheduled at a specific testing location. The calendar view presents testing sessions in a calendar format. Each session is marked with a different colored line indicating the testing session start and end dates. You can filter the testing sessions in two ways. Display testing sessions only for a specific test. Display testing sessions for the next or previous month. Filter testing sessions based on availability. Testing sessions lasting less than 1 day. Testing sessions lasting more than 1 day. Testing sessions starting this month. With that, we've concluded our overview of the testing session page and all of its views. Please consult with the user manual or re-watch this instructional video for more information.